Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera kepada semua. Okay, so hari ini kita nak continue topik kita pada chapter 3. Right, sebelum ni kita dah belajar topik assessment tools, how to measure safety and culture health. Right, by this week kita nak continue pada 3.2. Okay, another tools yang kita nak perkenalkan, which is one Nordic Occupational Safety Climate Questionnaire tools, or kita panggil NOSEC tools. Then the other tools is the International Atomic Energy Agency (IAEA) guidance tool. So at last kita akan overview of the selected tools yang kita dah terangkan sebelum ni. Okay, kita ada dua tools untuk this week. NOSEC tools, which is a Nordic Occupational Questionnaire tools. It was developed by a team of Nordic occupational safety researchers from respectively Denmark, Finland, Iceland, Norway, and Sweden. Right? So this tool is based on organizational and safety climate theory, psychological theory, previous empirical research, and empirical results that acquired through international studies and continuous development process. Okay. The NOSEC 50 has been pilot tested in various industries in all the Nordic countries, and the result confirmed the reliability and validity of the questionnaire. Results from around the world are currently being collected in an international database in order to allow for benchmarking and further development of the tool. This questionnaire has already been applied in several high-injury sectors, for example, construction, manufacturing, healthcare, and transport, and etc. So, safety climate is defined as work groups, members share perceptions of manager, as well as work group safety-related policies, procedures, and practice. In short, safety climate reflects workers' perception of the true value of safety in an organization. Okay, this NOSEC 15 consists of 50 items across 7 dimensions. Okay, an example, share perception of management safety, priority, commitment, and competence. Okay, management safety justice, workers safety, priority, and risk non-acceptance, safety communication, learning, and trust in co-worker safety competence, workers trust in the efficiency of safety system. An example of resulting NOSEC diagram is shown below. Okay, kita tengok. Example of NOSEC diagram, kita boleh lihat kan tadi ada 7, right? Management safety priority, management safety empowerment, management safety justice, the group safety commitment, group safety priority, group safety learning, group safety system. So, diorang nak buat kajian di mana skill yang kita boleh kena pakai daripada 1 hingga 4 ni. So, ada 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ni. Okay, 7 perkara ni dia dekat skill berapa, is between skill 1 hingga 4, dia menunjukkan safety climate punya dimension. Right, kalau kita nampak line biru ni, okay, it was a subsample of database, lebih kurang 50 data. Okay, yang merah ni adalah total population iaitu 1689. Right, kalau kita nampak merah ni, okay, kalau kita tengok contoh group safety system, macam mana nak baca graf ni? Okay, group safety system, okay, data dia sekarang adalah 3.1. Okay, 3.10 atau 3.20. Right. So, kalau management safety priority 3. Management safety empowerment 3.1. Okay, management safety justice 3.3. Okay, group safety commitment, okay, berapa? So, skill di sini mostly daripada 2 hingga 3, 4 lah, saya kata 4. Alright, so kita boleh lihat lah NOSEC diagram punya database yang mereka kumpul. Okay, dia dalam group skill 1 hingga 4 untuk safety climate dimension, seperti dalam graf yang kita berikan ni. Okay, so kalau IEA guidance for use in the enhancement of safety culture, kalau IEA ni adalah International Atomic Energy Agency guidance, okay, for use in the enhancement of safety culture. Originally developed by the organization own safety culture service for the use in training session. Okay, development is based on the experience gained by the safety culture service when assisting the national stakeholders in developing and improving the safety culture in nuclear installation. So different tadi, kalau yang tadi tu Dia kumpul database based on the industry researchers, all the researchers from the many sectors, industri kan sebagainya. Kalau yang ini dia lebih kepada Atomic Energy Agency saja, di mana mereka guna pakai untuk service by training session, right? Diorang ada proses untuk safety culture in nuclear installation. By that, diorang developkan this tools, di mana this tools is based on experience untuk safety culture service. Bila orang assist national stakeholder ni developing safety culture dalam nuclear installation, right? So the guidance transpose the culture explanation into a model of 3 development stages of safety culture. Kalau kita nampak dekat sini, okay, guidance ni dia beri kita 3 model terhadap 3 development, 3 stage lah of the development of safety culture. Untuk first stage, dia based on rules and regulation, di mana a rule-based safety culture is described as short-term oriented, where management enforce rules and fine workers for non-fulfillment. Okay, by right, in second stage, dia lebih pada advanced stages. Okay, safety has become an organizational goal. So, an organizational based safety culture operates numerical targets and reward safety system for workers who fulfill such goals. Okay, then the third stages is awareness. Awareness that has been mainstreamed in the organization, and the awareness that safety can always be improved by them has become a mindset. Then this awareness of improvement-based safety culture rewards the anticipation of consequence and can be characterized by the during communication. Okay, so these 3 development stage of safety culture ni, dia ceritakan macam manalah safety culture ni dari step by step is kewujudan safety culture ni, okay, by these 3 stage. Okay, one is rule-based safety culture, second is organizational-based safety culture, third is awareness or improvement-based safety culture. Okay, this guidance builds up a practical approach which is focused on employee surveys as the method of choice for assessing safety culture in the company. Okay, for the stage analysis of safety culture, the guidance introduces a matrix for analysis. So 5 characteristics are attributed to each stages of safety culture, rule, goal, improvement tadi, and the expert can decide which of them described based on the situation in the organization. Kita tengok table yang ini, di mana matrix with the 3 stages of safety culture and 5 characteristics. Okay, kita dah mappingkan, kita dah line up kan, right? So stage 1 kita ada rule based, stage 2 kita ada goal based, stage 3 kita ada improvement based, right? So in these 5 characteristic, okay, one kita tengok view of mistake. Okay, kalau view of mistake punya characteristic, okay, kita tengok stages 1, people are blamed for non-compliance with rules. So organization react defensively to criticism rather than listening and learning. Okay, by then stage 2 apa goal mereka, goal organization. Okay, mistake result in more controls and training. Okay, mistake ni results in more control and training. Okay, improvement based dia apa mereka perlu buat? Mistake are an opportunity to understand and improve. Betul. So maknanya okay, stage pertama diorang dapat trace rule based tadi based on people yang blame dan menyalahkan rule, right? Okay, organization react defensively lah. Okay, organisasi tu dia defend dan lebih kritik daripada mendengar dan belajar. Dan goal organization base ni kita dapat lihat mistake result ni adalah lebih daripada control dan training. Then kita dapat atasi di mana improvement base kita adalah sebenarnya mistake yang berlaku tu adalah opportunity kita untuk lebih memahami dan cuba untuk perbaiki. Kita lihat time focus pula. Okay, untuk karakteristik time focus, okay, rule based short term is all important. Okay, goal organization based, di mana people are rewarded for exceeding goals regardless of long term consequence. Numerical targets are specified for safety. Okay, kita tengok macam mana cara mereka improve. Short term performance is analysed to improve longer term performance. Longer term focus anticipation of consequence. Okay. Kat sini di mana dia kata short term, selalunya short term important. Maksudnya macam kita contoh, saya bagi assignment yang sangat pendek, you all kena siapkan. Okay. Selalu you all akan complain lah kan, masa tak cukup whatsoever kan. Tapi sebenarnya short term ni yang short term performance ni yang menunjukkan yang boleh analyse macam mana kita nak improve longer term performance. Okay, sebenarnya dia boleh mengasah kita boleh work under pressure lah, senang kata, dengan masa yang pendek dan sebagainya kan. So dia kata sini short term performance is analysed to improve longer term performance, longer term focus with anticipation of consequence. So ketika tengok pada karakteristik role of management role management, kita lihat di mana kalau role goals, okay, managers enforce rules and pressures employees for results. Okay, manager guna pakai rules ni lah, dan paksa bagi tekanan pada pekerja untuk dapatkan ni lah results. And also organisation based goal ni, managers use technique such as management by subject objective, and kita tengok apa improvement dia. Managers coach people to improve performance. Sebenarnya managers support collaborative work. Sebenarnya managers ni nak improve performance workers kan, employees by right. Sebenarnya dia kena cuba cakap baik-baik lah kan, betul tak? Supaya workers ni tak tertekan. Right? Okay, conflict handling. Conflict are rarely resolved and group continue to compete with one another. So conflict is discouraged in the name of teamwork. By then, how to improve? Conflict is resolved by means of mutually beneficial solution. Okay. Apa-apa masalah datang, kita cuba selesaikan, kita cuba resolvekan. Okay, so contoh konflik tadi, cubalah. Memanglah konflik tu selalunya jarang di resolve dalam group, selalu akan jadi competition kan, compete each other, dan dia akan memberi kesan pada organisation sebenarnya. Dan konflik ni discourage the name of teamwork. But then improvement ni kita kena buat lah. Konflik ni boleh resolve by means of mutually beneficial. Kena ada solution yang boleh resolvekan this conflict. Okay, view of people. People are components in the system. Then growing awareness in organizational goal ni, growing awareness that people's attitude influence their performance. Then the improvement, people are respect and valued to their contribution. And by right, apa-apa yang berlaku sebenarnya, kita kena back to nature lah. Kita kena tengok bukan pada satu side tapi daripada banyak side. Kita kena lebih terbuka, kena be positif, dan tak boleh terlalu menilai sesuatu tu buruk. Okay, bila kita kerja ni, open your mind. Okay, terima. Tak suka jangan terlalu menunjukkan yang you all tak suka. Okay, kawan pun sama. Jangan jadi seorang yang penghasut. Jadi orang yang boleh menerima pandangan orang lain. Right? Okay, just short nasihat. Tiba-tiba ada nasihat ni kan. Alright. So next, kita pergi pada guidance. This guidance does not offer ready to apply tools for the users, but defines categories and characteristics which can be attributed to the 3 stages concept of safety culture presented above. Right. Finally, it's also explain how leadership and managerial approach can foster safety culture in the company and how to use learning culture to gain sustainability in improving the safety performance. So maknanya tools IEA ni tadi, dia orang lebih kepada trigger 3 stages tadi. Jadi dan mesti depends pada karakteristik attribute yang kita boleh linkkan dengan 3 stages tadi untuk this tool. Alright. So in this context, the guidance present a simple model of transformational change which consists of 3 stages process for changing organization safety culture. Alright, dia kata guidance ni make a simple change process. Okay, simple model of transformation change ni ada 3 proses yang kita boleh lihat kat sini, di mana pertama dia unfreeze-kan status quo, which is creating the motivation to change, and then mainstream atau learning new concept and new meanings for old concept, and then third, internalizing new concepts and meaning. Okay. So maknanya this context ni untuk simple model of transformational change kena melalui 3 proses